How to play Roblox on your PC or Windows and what are the controls for it? Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me go over to quick and easy and how you can play Roblox on your Windows or PC. Well, first things first, what you can do is you can get the Roblox application installed. So you can simply head into roblox.com and it will prompt you to download the game. Once you have downloaded it, simply install it. Once you install it, log into your account, and as you can see here, I'm on the home page on the application on Roblox. Now simply select the game that you would like to play. So for example, here you want to play Steal a Brain Rot, then you can simply tap on that particular game and open up the game page. Now tap on the play icon here, the blue icon here on the screen. As you can see, I've clicked on it and now it will start loading up. Once it has loaded, it is pretty simple to play. Now if you want to get on full screen, you might want to press F11. If you are on the PC, you might want to click function and F11 at once. Now, once you're here, now what you can do is you can simply use your WASD button. W to go front, S to come back, and A for left and D for right, as you can see on the screen. Similarly, you can use arrow icon to toggle the camera here on the right. The particular arrow icon, right, left, front and back for a similar icon here, as you can see. Now, if you're on the full screen Windows mode, if you enable it, then you'll be able to use mouse. You can right click your mouse. As you can see, I'm right clicking my mouse to toggle the camera as well, to move the camera. So these are the most basic keyboard buttons or the control buttons that you will need to play Roblox. You can press space to jump as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.